Have you ever wondered why sometimes you feel tired, unmotivated, and weak, even though you slept well? The truth is, it's not your body that's weak, it's your energy being stolen by lust. But what if I told you the same energy that is wasted in lust can be transformed into unstoppable focus, creativity, and success? Today, I will show you how to turn lust into power. Lust is one of the strongest human desire. It's natural, but when uncontrolled, it becomes dangerous. It drains your mind, distracts your focus, and keeps you stuck in a cycle of pleasure and regret. Think about it. How many hours are lost scrolling, watching, imagining? Hours that could be used to build your body, your mind, your career. Lust doesn't just take away your time, it takes away your willpower. It keeps you a slave to your impulses. But here is the secret. Very few people know lust is not just a weakness, it's energy, the strongest form of creative energy a human being has. This concept is called sexual transmutation. Instead of wasting this energy, you redirect it. Imagine channeling that intense desire into temporary pleasure, but into lifting heavier at the gym, studying harder for your exams, building your business, creating art, or chasing your biggest dreams. History has shown us great leaders, warriors, inventors, and saints all had one thing in common: self control. They knew how to turn lust into a fuel. Let me tell you a story. There was once a young man who was addicted to his desires. Every night he wasted his energy, and every morning he woke up weak and guilty. He dreamed of success, but he never had the discipline to chase it. One day, he decided enough was enough. He took a challenge: 30 days without giving in to the lust. In the first week, he struggled, but slowly he noticed something. His eyes became sharper, his mind more focused. He started waking up with energy. He reads books he never touched before, worked out harder, and spoke with confidence. In just 30 days, people around him said, "You look different." What changed? What changed? He didn't lose energy anymore, he used it. So, how do you do it? Here are the steps. The moment lustful thoughts appear, don't fight them aggressively. Acknowledge them and remind yourself, this is powerful energy. I will use it, not waste it. Move your body, do push ups, go for a run, hit the gym. Physical activity converts sexual energy into strength and stamina. When desire hits, channel it into creativity. Write, draw, study, work on your craft. Energy that won't release can be redirected into creation. Lust start in the mind. Simple breathing exercise or meditation can calm the storm inside and focus your thought. Take some deep breaths. Stay away from what incites lust unnecessarily, whether it's website, movies, or even overuse of social media. Protect your mind like a fortress. Remember, every time you resist lust, you're not losing, you're storing energy, you're building power. Think of lust like a fire. It uncontrolled. It burns and destroys. But if harnessed, fire can cook food, power engines, and light up entire cities. Your lustful energy is that fire. If you let it control you, it will consume your dreams. But if you control it, you can achieve greatness most people can't even imagine. So, the next time lust tries to control you, remind yourself, this is not weakness, This is energy, and I will not waste it. I will transform it. Turn lust into power, and you will turn yourself into someone unstoppable. If you are ready to take back control, comment I choose power. And remember, the one who controls his desires controls his destiny. By the way, whatever you are facing, let's conquer it.